Hello everybody, I'm back again. I just wanted to show my 3 little TNs that I created that I'm going to list in my Etsy store sometime today, but I wanted to come in and share real quick a quick video, which by the way, when I first created them, to me I was trying to do the traveler's notebook inserts, because it's out there and I use it and it's fun, and I barely started making inserts for me, so I thought, oh, I should add that to my store. So these are my first 3 that I'm going to add to my store, and I left them blank from the inside, but just wanted to show you the covers. The images that I used on these 3 came from Tsunami Rose, one of her nature journals. Using my phone, by the way. Hopefully I don't get you guys too, crazy drunk. Let me move these out of the way. And the way they come is they have their own little ephemera on the side, but as far as the book, it is covered with wallpaper. Oh my goodness, with wallpaper, and it also has fabric, and they're tied with a seam binding. Oh, I can't help you right now, Papa. Go over there. Mommy making a video. Give me a second. Tell Alyssa. Alyssa, help your brother, please. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Let me take that off. Beautiful image. And these were printed at Staples, so the paper has this like glossy finish to it, a little shine. So I love that. But the inside, it has fabric. I was thinking about adding pockets here, but then I decided to just leave it as is and let the person that has it, do whatever they want. But they're all 3 are the same. They have coffee dyed paper, they have music sheets, they have one of these glassine bags, they have some ledger paper. I thought of stamping too at the end. I was like, no, Patty, let them do whatever they want to do in the journal. So it's plain, like I said. The cover, the fabric that I used came from a linen that I found. And yeah, so that's in there. They're all the same. So that's the journal. Okay, let me sit down real quick, guys. This is a little paper clip I made for the kit. And it's made out of book pages, of course. The images that are used, I got them at Tracy Fox Etsy shop. And I think it's called Love Junk Journals. Yeah. And these 2, comes with 2 little tags. These are from Tsunami Rose, I think. Yeah, I think they're from Tsunami Rose. Okay, I have to check on that. I'm not 100% sure. Then here's like a little bird, and they're backed in they're book pages, but this one has a piece of wallpaper, so you can journal. That one has a piece of coffee dyed paper. Here's one of the tags, and I showed these on a video, on my last video. You could journal in the back. This one. But look at my mess, guys. I haven't cleaned my desk. This one, I figured you could use this as like a little tuck, kind of like in your corner, the corner of a page, and then just tuck things behind, or you can use it as a journaling card, but I created them as tucks. Then this one, and these images came from a book I took apart. So I found some awesome images there. And this is just like a little booklet that you could insert pictures in. You could add a picture there, or journal. If I could open it. There it goes. So I figure you could add images there, or journal in the inside. This is a journaling tag that I made, also using an image from that book I took apart. And you can journal in the back. Oh, and I stamped a little ladybug. I thought that was cute. And this is an envelope that I made, and the image again came from Tsunami Rose. And on the inside I went ahead and added these, I think that's it, yeah. I added these bits and pieces that you can add throughout the journal as you're journaling, and they're backed up on wallpaper and sewn around. This one here and this one. So all the journals have a little different in the pieces of ephemera that I put in there. Let me pop that there. Now this one, I'm not gonna go inside the journal because they were all the same, but just the wallpaper's different and the image on the front. But I will go through the ephemera. There's this paper clip. And then two little journaling cards, tags. Did this one. I've been having so much fun doing a nature theme, which I am planning on doing a junk journal as well. I'm getting that ready too. But I've been wanting to do the traveler's notebook, so I figured, oh my goodness, let me just do that real quick. So yeah, this is supposed to be used in the corner of one of your pages as a tuck. Well, this one too. I didn't. And then this is the little booklet. It's pretty much the same ephemera, just different images, a little different style. This one has this kind of paper. And then on the back, nothing. Then this is a journaling card that I made. And you get the little ladybug. So cute. You know, I got those stamps with this little dragonfly. Let me show you. I got them from OfferUp from someone. Aren't they cute? I never seen stamps like this that come in a little tray like thing. And they're all insects. You get this little guy. I don't think it has the name of the... Okay, hold on. It's from Hampton's Art Supplies, or Hampton's Art Stamps. A little fly. God, those suckers get on my nerves though. There's a little ladybug. So I figured these will be good in a journal, a nature journal. Well, except for the spider. I don't know about the spider. I might save that one for Halloween. And this is, I think, an ant. And they stamp so good. Very clear. And there's the little dragonfly. So yeah, that's insects. I thought that was cute. So yeah, I like that. I got it brand new. The person that owned it, I guess, never used it. Okay, so let's go to the little pieces that I inserted here. On this one, you get this little image. And these, like I said before, they're all by Tracy Fox. One of her nature kits, digital kits, because she's got quite a few. This is the other journal, and for that one, you know what, I didn't count the pages. I'm gonna have to count the pages, and I'll write them on the description when I list them on Etsy. I forgot to do that before I started the video. But this is the little paper clip. Here's the two tags. And the larger tags. Then this is the side tuck. There should be another one right here. I love this one. This image also came from the book that I took apart. I love the tree, but I love the building on the back. I was gonna add that to my journal, but oh well. And this one I had already shown in the tutorial. No, show and tell. There you go. This is a little journaling card with the little ladybug. Then this is the envelope that comes with that one. And this one, if I can do it. I did it backwards. You get this one. And then this one here. And then this one here. So that's it, guys. Hopefully sometime today I will jump in on Etsy and add these to my store. So if anybody's interested, they will be on my Etsy store. I will leave the link below. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much. You guys have a blessed day. Bye bye now.